For the two ingredients, you guys gave me fig and avocado. And I'm like, that to me screams avocado toast with bacon. So why don't we do that? I have a sheet tray that's been lined with either parchment paper or a seal pad so that it doesn't stick or burn, because the cleanup on this is like messy. So lay something down, and I've got a couple of slices of thick cut bacon I'm gonna lay right here and then sprinkle with brown sugar. We have the bacon with the brown sugar off into the oven, and we're gonna watch it so that it caramelizes beautifully. I think the sweet and the salty is going to be outstanding together. I wanna elevate the flavors, so I want a little pucker, right? And I wanna get that by pickling some onions. So if you've never done it from scratch, it's super easy. Let me show you how to rock this out. I've got one whole red onion that I'm just gonna thinly slice and then get into this pot with some seasonings. I'm gonna add in some water, and then to make it pickly, I've got some red wine vinegar. I have a couple of bay leaves, and then I'm gonna sprinkle in some sugar. First, I wanna give this a stir just to make sure we've incorporated the sugar with the water. And let's put this on the stove and we'll bring this to a boil. Now the next piece of this is probably one of the most satisfying, and it's making toast. I have a beautiful sourdough loaf fresh from the bakery. I'm just gonna slice it, butter it, and get it in that hot oven so that we can get that toast nice and crispy. Now that my bread is all sliced, all I'm gonna do is butter it and get it on my sheet tray. Look at this, look at our bread is beautifully toasted. So we buttered it, toasted it, and it's ready for what's about to go on top. Now, speaking about what's about to go on top, I've got some avocado, and these are beautiful avocados. I'm just gonna cut these open, pull out the flesh, get them into this bowl, and get them mixed up with some citrus, some salt, and some pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. So our avocados are all smashed, our bread is all toasted, bacon is ready, and so are the pickled onions. There's just one thing left to do, and that's to make the fig vinegar. So to do that, I'm just gonna combine two things. I've got a beautiful batch of fresh fig preserves. I'm gonna mix it with some red wine vinegar, and we'll get that ready to spread onto this amazing, beautiful avocado toast. Look at this, avocado toast has cooked up beautifully. We have loaded this up with tons of amazing flavor. There's all these really good flavors happening, from sweet to salty to creamy to crunchy. Hey, you know what time it is. Let me see what we're gonna do right now. Let me tell you. So the tomatoes are necessary because it gives it a really beautiful, fresh taste. The figs are super sweet, and that fig vinegar on top, I'm telling you, it's taking this to a whole different level. I don't know about you, but hey, who would have ever thought avocados and figs would go together so beautifully? Now the recipe for this, you can get it off of the Darius Cooks Plus app. You can download it today on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Listen, and I'm not just saying that app is amazing because my name is on it, but I'm saying that the app is amazing because my name is on it. All right, now there's two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life, it's my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to your heart.